In this video, you are going to see how to insert hyperlink in Google Docs. I can hyperlink a text or a shape or an image. Let us hyperlink a text. Let us write here Facebook and I want to hyperlink the Facebook link. Select the text, go to over here, insert link. Then type the URL of the Facebook. Let us write here www.facebook.com. Click on apply. Then the hyperlink will be added. If I click on this text, you will see here is the link of the Facebook. If I click on over here, I can browse Facebook very easily. If I want to remove it, I can remove it from here. If I click on remove, it will be removed. If I want to edit it again, click on edit link and I can edit the link over here, and here is the title. If I write here Facebook visit, click on apply, then the text will be Facebook visit and the link will be facebook.com. If I want to add an image as a hyperlink, go to insert image, upload from computer. Let us choose this image, click on open. Click on the image and go to this option, insert link, and let us write here the link www.facebook.com. Then click on apply. Then the link will be added. If I want to edit the link, click on this option, edit link, then I can edit it again. And if I want to remove it, click on the image and I can remove it from here. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.